Hello everyone, welcome to the new video with the new chapter, noun number. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 7, noun number. Read the following sentences carefully. A cat runs after a rat, monkeys are jumping on the tree. In the above sentences, words cat और rat जो है ये stand कर रहे हैं एक animal के लिए. Words monkeys and tree stand करता है for more animals, ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए. Hence, numbers of nouns जो है वो दो तरह के होते हैं. They are singular number and plural number. First है singular number. A noun which stands for one person. जो noun एक person, animal और thing के लिए stand करता है, that is said to be कि उसे हम कहते हैं singular number. Example chair, orange, boy, cat, etc. Plural number होता है a noun which stands for two or more persons के लिए, animals के लिए या चीजों के लिए होता है, तो आप बोल सकते हो that is to be in the plural number. Chairs, oranges, boys, cats, etc. हो गया. Formation of plurals. अब हम plurals कैसे बनाते हैं? To make a singular noun को plural बनाने के लिए हम normally s को add कर देते हैं. Book become books, bear becomes bears. So but we have certain rules भी हैं formation of plurals के regarding. Like by adding हम es add कर देते हैं singular nouns में जो x से, ch से, s से, ss या sh से end हो रहे होते हैं. जैसे lasses, lasses, taxes, taxes, bunches, bunches, ass, asses, match, matches, peach, peaches, bus, buses, bush, bushes, box, boxes, class, classes. Now by changing f और f ही को हम v में अगर चेंज कर देते हैं और उसमें es ऐड कर देते हैं तो calf, calves, loaf, loaves, sheep, sheeps, life, lives, wife, wives, knife, knives, calf, calves, half, halves, wolf, wolves, leaf, leaves. Exceptions होते हैं roof, roofs हो जाएगा, chief, chiefs हो जाएगा. Then by changing y into I and add कर देते हैं हम es को, तो baby become babies, army become armies, country become countries, ferry become ferries, story become stories, lady become ladies, cherry become cherries, fairy become fairies, pony become ponies, fly become flies. When y has a vowel, जब y में vowel होता है उससे पहले तो हम उसमें खाली ऐसे ऐड करते हैं. Boy become boys, key become keys, trolley become trolleys, pulley become pulleys, donkey become donkeys, story become stories, play become plays, monkey become monkeys, valley become valleys, essay become essays. By adding es हम nouns में add कर रहे हैं in o. So tomato becomes tomatoes, cargo become cargos, mosquito mosquitoes, negro become negroes, mango become mangoes, buffalo buffaloes, eco become ecos, moto become motos. Then exceptions होते हैं bamboo become bamboos, cuckoo become cuckoos, photo become photos, piano become pianos. Some plurals are also irregular like foot का feet हो जाता है, man का men हो जाता है, goose का geese हो जाता है, mouse mice, radius radii, child becomes children, ox become oxen, tooth become teeth, louse become lies, oasis become oasis. अब क्या होता है by adding s आप add करते हो abbreviation के बाद, तो MP होगा MPs, apostrophe s, MLA का MLAs. Some nouns do not change into plural. कुछ nouns plural में change नहीं भी होते हैं. Deer deer रहता है, sheep sheep रहता है, fish fish रहता है. Some nouns are used only in singular number. कुछ होते हैं nouns जिनको सिर्फ हम singular number में use करते हैं. जैसे politics, hair, news, innings, information, furniture, scenery, poetry, machinery, mathematics, civics, physics. तो इनको हम singular मानते हैं एक. And some nouns are used only in plural. और कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो plural में ही use होते हैं. जैसे alms, socks, shoes, cattle, people, valuables, riches, spectacles, trousers, pajamas, tongs, scissors, etc. जब भी हम इनको बोलते हैं तो हम pair बोलते हैं, pair of socks, pair of shoes. Note हम we say where are your spectacles? आपके spectacles कहाँ हैं? Where is your pair of spectacles? हम बोलेंगे pair of spectacles. His trousers are loose. His pair of trousers is loose. Abstract and material nouns, they have no plural form नहीं होते. Example iron, wheat, bravery, etc. The following compounds they have plural है by adding s to the first part में add कर दो. Mother-in-law तो होगा mothers-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Notary public, notaries public. Now following compounds they have plurals हैं उसमें s को add कर दो last part में. Stepson becomes stepsons. Maid servant become maid servants. Grown up become grown ups. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Revise it, learn it. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.